Today, I'm going to show you how to make this bar clamp. Let's get into it. I'll start by milling out the stock using the table saw. Hardwood would have been ideal, but I had some pine trim laying around and used that instead. This clamp is designed to eliminate some of the shortcomings of other clamps I own. First, the clamp will actively lock the sliding jaw using a wedge. Second, limiting deflection of the bar under load by using a T-cross section. All components of this bar clamp were designed to be cut on the table saw. The process can be streamlined by creating jigs or using a crosscut sled to make repeated cuts. I am cutting a dado to locate the vertical bar in the center of the horizontal by making a cut and flipping the stock to cut the other side. To begin the assembly process, I need to glue up the fixed jaw so I can use it to ensure the vertical bar remains normal to the horizontal bar. I will drill and countersink holes on the backside of the horizontal bar, which will be used to secure the two bars together. I can clamp the two bars using the fixed jaw and transfer the hole locations to the vertical bar. With the holes marked, I can use a drill guide to ensure that the pilot holes I drill are in line with the center line of the vertical bar. Now that the pilot holes have been drilled and countersunk, I can apply a liberal amount of glue to the dado and screw the two bars together to create the T-bar. Once the glue has set, I can glue the fixed jaw to the bar of the clamp using 1, 2, 3 clamps. I ran out of good stock to work with, so I had to glue up some scrap pieces to create some components. They are clamped together with 1, 2, 3, 4 clamps. The sliding jaw center section is glued together just like the fixed jaw. The outer section of the jaw is then glued and screwed together. I apply liberal amounts of glue to both parts and give it the clamps. I need to drill a large hole to accept the threaded insert for the screw. I place the threaded insert on a bolt and drive it into the sliding jaw using a ratchet and test its functionality. Now I need to make a wedge, and a way for the jaw and wedge to move as a unit. This should do the trick. I screw the bent sheet metal pull to the wedge and assemble the sliding jaw and wedge onto the bar. And that is how this bar clamp is made. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the shop.